How to fix Quick Snap not showing on Instagram mobile in 2026. Quick fix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Quick Snap option not showing on Instagram. If you can't find the Quick Snap feature on your Instagram app, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try to solve this problem. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. The first thing you should do is update the app. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and check if an update is available. If you see the Update button, simply tap on it and install the latest version. Many features don't appear if the app is outdated. After updating, open Instagram again and check if the Quick Snap feature is now available. If it's still missing, the next step is to clear the app cache. On Android, open your phone settings, go to Apps, find Instagram, tap on Storage, and then select Clear Cache. This can fix many temporary issues with the app. Another thing you can try is logging out of your account and logging back in again. Sometimes refreshing your account session helps load new features. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable because some Instagram features may not load properly with a slow connection. If none of these methods work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This will install a fresh version of the app and often restores missing features. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to fix the Quick Snap not showing on Instagram in 2026.